Legal pwn is essentially the following. You submit a bunch of legalese text like legal disclaimers, compliance mandates, confidentiality notices, terms of service, copyright violation, license agreement restrictions, legal text. You submit that to ChatGPT, ChatGupta, or Grok, or whomever. However, inside of that legal text exists code or other prompts that manipulate the LLM into doing things that you want it to do. So, as an example, Pangea Labs found that Google's Gemini CLI, a command line interface, so this is what you see hackers using all the time, was tricked into recommending that a user execute a reverse shell, a type of malicious code that gives an attacker remote access to a computer on their system. Similarly, GitHub Copilot was fooled into misidentifying code containing a reverse shell as a simple calculator when it was written with a fake copyright notice. And you can go read what this fake copyright notice was. Is it here or is it further down? I think it was further down. This screenshot reveals yeah, no, that's the post effect. I can't remember where it was in here, but it was somewhere in here that there was a piece of legalese text, and you can see there's a payload, the tag right down there, and the payload tag is where you put in your prompt or your code in order to do things that an LLM should not do. That's how easy these things are. And you can imagine that what happens as time continues, people are going to find more and more ways to continually break these large language models. If you think the only way to get these things to do things that they shouldn't do is to provide, the stuff that we've covered already, leet speak, legalese text, confusing language, embedding prompts inside of like large prompts that are nonsensical or not relevant to the topic at hand. If you think these are the only ways to break these chat models, you're wrong. There are a almost infinite number of ways to break these. What you should be scared about is the stuff we haven't discovered, just like with hacking. Just like with hacks that you don't hear about. Those are the dangerous